Hey fashionistas, welcome back to the Style and Society channel. I'm Kinya Claiborne, and today I am thrilled to walk you through my Boston Proper resort packing list for a dreamy weekend getaway. Now we're talking about chic, mindfully designed swimwear and capsule styles that are perfect for any escape. Now let's dive right into these stunning pieces and see why they're a must-have for your travel wardrobe. Step, check out this gorgeous Swim Sense square neck Tankini top. What I love about this piece is that it's comfortable bust support and ruching details that give you the perfect tummy coverage. It's so ideal for mixing and matching with any of the Swim Sense bottoms. Now, I paired this with an effortless pull-on linen short and a Ruffle Top Handbag. It's the perfect combination for elevating your resort-ready look. Next, we have the stunning V-wire bikini top. It's a game changer with its alluring notch design and wide shoulder straps for extra comfort. Pair it with the matching high-waisted bikini bottom for a flawless beach look. I love the super flattering ruched sides on these bottoms, and you can adjust the waist for a high waist or a hipster style. I paired it with a matching cover-up that offers a perfect mix of style and functionality, whether you're headed to the beach or a poolside cabana. Moving on to this adorable linen Ruffled Rib top. Now, it's perfect for creating a feminine look that's both comfortable and stylish. Pair it with these Malibu embroidered linen pull-off crop pants for a casual yet sophisticated ensemble. I paired it again with the Ruffle Top Handbag for a chic and relaxed look. Last but not least, feast your eyes on this glamorous shimmer high neck blouse top. When you pair it with the matching Malibu shimmer palazzo pant, you're ready for an unforgettable evening out, whether you're headed to an elegant dinner or dancing at the disco. Now, I've styled this look with this clutch and these statement shell earrings with shell dangles. So, there you have it, my top picks from Boston Proper for the perfect resort getaway. Each piece is designed with comfort, coverage, and style in mind. Now, I hope that you found some resort wear inspiration on what to pack on your next trip and got some ideas on how to style these looks. Now, which outfit is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion hauls. Check out the link in the description box below, and don't forget to check out Boston Proper's catalog for even more stunning pieces. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.